Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by plugging your Realme into the original charger and cable. This reduces heat and ensures proper charging current. Once done, open Settings, go to Battery and turn on Optimized Night Charging. Make sure you set the target to about 80% and choose a schedule that matches your sleep, for example 10:00 p.m. to 7:00 a.m. Doing this staggers the final charging phase, so the battery spends minimal time at 100%, which helps extend battery lifespan. Next, refine how your phone charges to reduce stress on the battery. You should disable Super VOOC or high current fast charging during the night if the option exists. This slows the charge curve and reduces heat. Then, enable background app restrictions and a sleep mode so apps don't wake the device and cause extra battery drain. Also, place the phone on a cool, hard surface and remove thick cases to keep temperatures down. Lower temperatures equal longer battery health over months of cycles. Finally, each morning check that your Realme reached the scheduled target close to 80% and that the schedule remained active. Make sure system firmware and any battery or device maintenance apps are up to date so optimized charging works reliably. If you see inconsistent behavior, clear the Settings app cache, restart the phone, and re-enable optimized night charging. If problems persist, reset battery settings before a factory reset. This often fixes misbehaving charging logic without losing personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.